WAI or something. Santa Barbara just sold out. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, to all the people that got tickets, fucking see you there. Yo, can we remind the people what we're doing here, Jacob? Pull up that video one more again, please.
Still on those meds, huh?
Yo, that garage door took the worst of it. Shout out to both of those. That was crazy. Can I talk to these producers, please? Yo, guys, 50 seconds left. No pressure, but pencils down real soon.
Awesome.
How we feeling? Damn. Yo, Roman Silver wrote like a whole essay, son. Crazy. Like 30 seconds left, y'all. Chat. How we doing, man? I don't know. Who knows if they vote coded the screen? Yeah, I just watched this documentary on Netflix. This is Pop, super tight, and it's talking about how they were holding T-Pain responsible for the death of music. I was like, damn, man, T-Pain's a legend, bro. Auto-tune changed the game. I don't think he killed it. I think he expanded the playing field. What do y'all think? Time's up. Time's up. Hey, pencils down, y'all. Something. Roman Silver, pencils down.
Man.
So, can we click the cameras back?
Yeah.
Let me see that transition, Roman. Transient God. There we go.
Yo.
So, there was 25 minutes on the clock. You guys had to watch a video and make a beat out of the video that you watched. How do we feel about that?
I don't know. How do you feel, CJ?
That was brutal. I mean, and then of course you tap into a little bit of a flow, and then he goes 8 minutes left. I'm like, oh my god, I don't even have a snare down yet. But
I know. It was tough. It was tough for sure. Like that sample.
That sample's rough. I just tried to go like.
What made that sample rough? If you don't, for the people that are ignorant to sampling.
Just the screams. Like the screams were super distracting, but if I don't know, I use them more as like a transitional effect versus like using them as a main instrument. And then there's a little tonal quality of the voice in the beginning that you can snip from, and then there's like a stomp at the very end when she hits the garage. So that's what I was able to pull out from it. But sample wise, I was more expecting something like somebody singing a clip or I don't know. So this was a challenge, honestly.
At Beat Smash, expect the unexpected. Now, I hope she's okay. Have you guys ever done anything like this before? Like, have you ever been up against the time and tried to make some music?
So I went to this production school called Icon Collective, and here and there, like Preston from Penthouse would do these little 10 to 15 minute beat battles during his like office hours. So that was always fun. It was the same exact thing, like pull some random sample, I think from Vine at the time, or like, you know, something from there, like a little
Rest
snippet.
in peace, Vine.
Yeah, R.I.P. But yeah, I've done this before, not too much. So it's like bringing back some stressful nostalgia.
Yeah, we're all about PTSD here at B&L Beat Smash.
I've never done one. I've never done this. I mean, I've done it like on my own terms, but not with this much pressure for sure. 1.7K watching right now. I've never done that before. That's for sure.
Well, yeah, just be lucky that you guys are doing this one, because next season we're blindfolding everybody, taking 10 minutes off the clock, and then they got to fucking make beats, you know. So
sign me up.
Oh, all right, yo, Kush, make sure you write that down. He's down for the blindfolded beat smash. All right.
Oh,
so are you guys ready to premiere your world premieres of these bangers? Does anybody want to volunteer to go first?
Then I went first on the. Yeah, you go first.
Sorry, real quick. I can play it off Ableton directly right here.
Yep, you can play it directly off the Ableton.
Okay. Yeah, I'll go first.
Let's do it.
All right. All right.
Woo! No pressure.
Can you share your screen? Transition
Yeah,
us
yeah,
one
yeah.
more again, dog. And zoom out because you had a lot of shit going on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn. Look at you
Damn,
go.
like, damn.
I mean, it's a little messy though, to be honest. But hey, I tried. So let's.
Your
let's
messy
give it a
looks
shot.
mighty neat.
All right, here we go.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Wow. This is insane.
What the hell, Vinny?
That's all I
What?
got. That's all I got. I thought the 4 on the floor shit would just be a little bit easier. Just come up with like ideas. It's easier to like sketch. You know what I mean?
I knew you would do 4 on the floor, so I was like, all right, I got to do like some 85 bouncy halftime stuff. But now I don't even want to play mine. Jesus Christ!
Oh, shut up, dude. Your shit's probably fire. Come on.
No, not
Oh, I
probably. It's
spent way
fire.
too much time on the wrong thing. Oh no! All right, my turn.
Yeah, it's your
Yeah.
turn. Can you share your screen, please?
All right. Yeah, 1 sec. All right, you guys see it?
That
So,
was
yeah, a
crazy.
lot.
Like what?
A lot less going on here, but here we go.
Build it and they will come. Words from Sumthin Sumthin. Yo, that's
Oh my
hella
God.
baller. Wow.
There.
Wait, Nick, can you play the sample, the original sample one more time? So y'all took that, and then Rome, can you play yours first, please?
Okay.
And you turned it into.
All right.
And turned it into. Yo, that's crazy.
It's so good. It's so fucking good.
I love how you put the scream in there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Fun.
Wow.
Unbelievable.
Super fun. Super
Yo.
fun.
Can you do yours one more time, something, man? Please, please, pretty please.
Let's hear it,
Yeah.
man.
They sound so much different than each other. Don't pre-quit this shit. You should pre-start, Jackie. Crazy. Crazy.
Oh god, so
Crazy.
funny.
Yo, so
Hell yeah.
like, unfortunately, y'all, man, that's almost pretty much our time. Before we get up out of here, something, man. You got anything you want to let the people know that you guys got going on?
Yeah, I took a break from releasing for a while. Dealt with you know, the classic mental health struggle of producing, but
Right.
I'm glad to say a lot of new shit coming out this year. Finally, just stay tuned. You know, I have stuff coming out like every 3 weeks to every month, and yeah, just look out for some new releases.
Awesome. Bangers on bangers, man. Rome.
For me, yeah, I have an EP dropping tonight. It's called Makeshift Moon. It drops on Bitbird, so keep an eye out for that. I played some of the songs today, so yeah, 5-track EP. Super hyped on it. Also, Sumthin Sumthin and I will probably have some shows together. We're gonna be doing some back-to-back sets, so look out for that. Come to the shows. We want to see you guys. So yeah, super hyped.
For sure.
Ooh.
For sure. I'm really excited about this Makeshift Moon EP, man. Everything you played off of it sounds crazy. And
Thank you,
Fish
man.
told me that the shit was bananas, so I'm just gonna be waiting out. You know what I'm saying? Staking
Hell
out
yeah.
until tonight.
Super hyped, man.
Yo, yes, we have a giveaway winner to announce. Yo, so that hat that we've been talking about for the last couple of hours, we're about to give it away. And drum roll, please. Okay. Yup. Stay tuned. Hold on, I'm waiting for the text message. Our fearless leader Kush is about to send it to us. Boom, boom. All right. Just, you know, yeah, just calm down. Just calm down. While we're waiting, yeah, that's the hat. Oh, yo, so Young Fire Emoji, you are the winner of the hat, bro. Thank you so much for all of your subs, man. Clicking everything and Young Fire Emoji. Yeah, say wow. Yes, I know. I can't believe it either. Make sure you send us your address so we can get that to you right away. Thank you guys so much for rocking with us. Again, I am Evan All Caps. This is Sumthin Sumthin. That's Roman Silver. Hey, before we get up out of here, let's just play the songs one more again, man. Please, please, please.
Oh, jeez.
Play the video before you play the song, Jacob. And ride us out.
Oh man.
All right, let's go.
Do it.
Hell yeah.
One more.
All right. Here's mine.
What's up, bro? Most of the Twitch right now. Wait, I'm gonna have everybody say happy birthday to you in a second. It's Bertrand's birthday. He's in China. Yeah, we rapping. Yo, y'all.